The Bible is one covenant story, from Eden to the risen King.
In the garden where the waters ran, dust was lifted by the Maker's hand. Life was whole beneath His holy flame. Then we reached and broke the name.
Exile opened, eastward we ran, yet mercy walked beside us, with a promise in His hand.
From Eden to the way, You have called us back again.
What Babel tore apart,
You are gathering in the end.
one promise,
One fire, one covenant story sung.
the nations find their peace
In the Holy One.
Bricks rose high on the plain of Shinar. Men made towers from their wounded hearts.
Make our name,
The rebels cried,
but heaven stooped and scattered pride.
from Eden to the way, from Eden to the way,
From Eden to the way,
from Eden to the way. And Abram heard beneath the stars, blessing carried through the dark, through tribes and kings and prophet cries. Hope kept breathing through the night. Temple torn, stone rolled wide,
death undone,
the rabbi rises.
tongues of fire,
Nations here,
Babel bends.
the kingdom's here. From Eden to the way,
You are making all things new.
what began beside the rivers,
Finds its end in You.
one promise,
One people, one kingdom yet to come.
all creation sings.
The Holy One. Walk the way,
Walk the way, walk the way,
walk the way,
walk the way,
walk the way.
return again.
The garden open.